So instead of wasting your money to buy expensive bots that don't even make money for you consistently, what if I show you another way to trade on Deriv that will make you profitable without using any bot? Will you stop using bots? Okay, let's give it a try. This trading method that I'm about to show you requires you to trade manually. You just look at the price behavior, analyze the market, and take action. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze the Deriv market properly and how to get sure bet entries using price action. So if you want to learn about this simple trading method, then make sure you watch this video to the end. And in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing now so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. So without wasting time, let's begin. Alright guys, so for you to get entries in Deriv, you have to analyze the market by identifying the zones or key levels by using drawing tools. So the drawing tool I normally use is rectangle, which is the best for drawing the zones. So for you to get the rectangle, you just click here, then you click all drawings, then you choose rectangle. After that, you draw like this. You make sure you cover the wicks like that. So this is how I use rectangle to draw my zones. Even if you check back here, you will see that I was using rectangle to do my analysis. So I think I can just use them again, because in Deriv you cannot copy and paste the drawing tool. So instead of going here all the time to pick a new rectangle, I'll just reuse these ones. So let me move them to the front. So let me put them in one place. Alright, so let me start my analysis. So I drew my first zone here because of this reversal here. So if I adjust it to the back like this, you will see there are some connection here because of these multiple rejections. So let's continue. Let me pick another rectangle here. Let me adjust them to be more visible. So this is the second zone because of this reversal here. Price was rejected like 3 times. So let me drag it to the back to see if there are some connections. Yeah, you can see we also have rejections here. And you can see here the price has been reacting to this zone and also here. And that makes it a valid zone. So let's go to the next one. I'll put this one here because of these rejections. You can clearly see the price was rejected here multiple times. You can see here, so that makes it a valid zone. And then we have another one here. Let me reduce this size a bit. So we have another one here because of these rejections here and here, and price respected that level multiple times. And then we have another zone here because of this reversal, and you can see the price is still reacting to this zone here. You can see after the retest, the price is trying to push upwards. The price is coming here because of this reversal. So I'm expecting the price to come and break this zone according to the market structure. Since it's an uptrend, I'm expecting a new higher high. So now let me show you how the market moves from zone to zone and the pattern they form all the time, and also show you where to place your trades. So according to the market structure, you can see the price was in a downtrend here, and the price tried to break this support level multiple times but failed. Then finally it managed to break it and went straight to the next zone. After that it came back to the previous zone to retest, then dropped and managed to break the next zone, but did not manage to reach at the next zone. So it reversed at the middle of the road and went back to the previous zone to retest. Then boom, they dropped to the next zone. So you can see the market is forming lower highs, lower low, another lower low, and lower high, and another lower low. So after that the price came back again to retest the previous zone, but it failed to reach at the zone and dropped to break the next zone. then did a minor retest and dropped to the next zone. After that, it reversed and pushed upwards, breaking the previous zone, and went straight to the next zone. Then it reversed and dropped down to this level to retest, since this was a clear breakout. Then went up but failed to break this zone to form a new higher high, came to retest again and pushed upwards. So you can see the price is respecting these two zones. The market has really tried many times to break this zone but keeps failing until it did this last pullback and managed to break this zone. Then it did a proper retest and pushed up, breaking this zone to get its way to the next zone. But before reaching at this zone, it did a minor retest, then went up. So remember, after breakout, the market can do a major retest or a minor retest, or do both, or fail to do both. For those who don't understand the difference between the major and minor retest, let me explain to you. A minor retest is when the price reverses and goes back to the broken zone after a short move. And a major retest is when the price reverses and go back to the broken zone after a long move, especially when it comes from the next zone. Like this one here was going to be a major retest, but it failed to reach at this zone and reversed back to the resistance and came back for another retest. Then it reacted to the zone by a small pullback, which means 2 minutes was enough for the pullback. So if I had placed a 2 minutes up trade here, I would have won that trade before it broke this zone. So after that, the price managed to break the zone and went straight to the next one, then reversed and broke the previous zone again and went to the next one. But if you look here, you will see the same thing happened. It did a minor retest before going up. After that, it came back to do a major retest, then bounced up as expected. So this was also a good entry for 2 minutes. So let me show you how to get perfect entries with this analysis. So if you see a breakout and retest like this, your entry should be here at the zone for 2 minutes, another one here, an entry for 2 minutes, and another entry here for 2 minutes. So these were 3 sure bet entries that all went successful. Then here we had another breakout and retest, so your entry should be here at 2 minutes trade, but I don't think this one went well because of this candle, and that is normal. Sometimes the market doesn't just go as we expect all the time, okay? So always expect losses sometimes. As long as you don't risk too much of your capital, you will surely recover in the next trades. So later the price went into our direction and broke this zone and did a minor retest and pushed up. So this one here was a nice entry for 2 minutes. Then we had another entry here and then this one, but it did not manage to reach at the zone, so you ignore that one. Then here we had 3 more entries, this one, and this one, and all of them were successful with 2 minutes duration. And then here we had another breakout and retest, so here was a perfect entry for 2 minutes up trade, and this one here touched the zone but did not enter the zone properly. Always wait for the price to enter the zone properly before placing a trade. So let me show you another way to get sure bet entries. So after analyzing the market like this by drawing all the zones correctly, you then wait for the price to step inside your zone and take action, expecting a reversal. Like for example, here we have this one, and this one, which were best for sell entries. Then this one here, no, this one did not reach at the zone, so we only count this one. Then these 3 reversals here, then this one here, then this one as well, and this one here. This works because mostly the price doesn't just break the zone immediately. It always reacts to the zone by doing a pullback for 1 to 3 minutes before breaking a zone. So we take advantage of that, alright? Yeah, and sometimes even fail to break the zone multiple times, which gives us even more opportunities. So let me give you an example with this current movement here to get a sure bet entry. So here we are not sure where the price is heading to because we cannot see the next zone here. So what we should do is to check the previous history and look for a nearby zone. So how do we get that zone? So let me show you step by step. So you just click here. pick horizontal line, then put it at the front of the current price like that. Then you go back to the previous history until you get a reversal that is close to the horizontal line. So you go back like this. Let's keep going. We are almost there. Alright, so let's check this one and see if it is the zone we are looking for. Okay, I can see more reversals here, so I think we should try the highest. So that will be a perfect down trade entry for 2 minutes. I don't think if they will just break it like that. Because if we use this one here, the price might break it and go to the highest one. Oh, I can see they have already reached here. You can see. So let me put this back quickly to confirm. Oh yeah, it's exactly there. So let's go back and confirm. Okay, you can see the price is already there. So let me place a down trade immediately for 2 minutes, expecting the price to drop to the next zone for a retest. So you can see how simple it is to get entries using price action analysis. So let me put a rectangle there as well. Let me use this one and put it here. Perfect. So now let's wait for the price to drop because I'm expecting the price to go and retest the previous zone. Let's wait for results. So you can see the trade is about to close in profit. 5 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1, and boom. I have made $19 profit in just 2 minutes. And that is $39 payout together with my $20 investment, which is 2% of my capital. So now I'm expecting the price to retest and go up. So let's wait for the price to enter the zone properly. Then I will place 2 minutes up trade. Remember, you are only supposed to place a trade when the price enters the zone properly. If it doesn't enter the zone properly, then do not place a trade. So let's give it time and see if it will enter the zone. Alright, so this is the perfect time to enter a trade. Okay, so I have placed a trade for 2 minutes, expecting the price to go up. So let's wait for results. Nice. So you can see the trade closed in profit and I have made another $19 profit in just 2 minutes. So you can see how the price behaved here before it went up. Just like what happened here. There was a fake breakout, then boom, went down. So in this trade, 2 minutes was enough to give the market time to move into our direction. So that's why I prefer using 2 minutes when trading reversals. So that's also another way to make money in Deriv besides using bots. So if you are tired of losing money trading with bots, then you can try this price action strategy. And if you are a beginner who doesn't know anything about price action, you can learn price action through my course where I explain everything you need to know step by step, including some market secrets that will help you become a pro. So I'll leave the link for the course in the description of this video and also in the comment section. So if you have learned something from this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to be notified. Thanks a lot for watching this video to the end. See you in the next video.